How to cancel NBA subscription. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can cancel NBA subscription in Android device. So let's get started. It is very easy, but before following those steps, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So if you are on an Android phone, I want you to do what is just go to Play Store, open your Play Store, and you will enter in this home page of your Play Store. Here, the first thing I want you to do is just tap on your profile at the top right, and here you will be able to see the payments and subscriptions option. Just tap on it. So let's say you have subscribed NBA subscription, you have bought plans of theirs, and all of a sudden you change your mind and you no longer want the subscription. You just need to follow this process and come here. After that, tap on the subscription option, and here you will be able to see the NBA app. Just tap on NBA app, and there you will be able to see the option called cancel subscription. Just tap on cancel subscription and your NBA subscription will be canceled or unsubscribed. So therefore, in this way, you can cancel your NBA subscription. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.